Household products may go wrong sometimes, especially when you need them the most. Then out of no choice, you call the technician or rush to the service center. But do you know that some problems can be solved by you easily at home? You know, there is nothing more important than having a quick fix of a breakfast in the morning. And this is where the importance of a pop-up toaster comes into play. Bajaj pop-up toasters are simplistic yet extremely convenient kitchen appliances with a well-designed apparatus and mechanisms. However, sometimes the bread might not be getting grilled properly, right? The browning is too little or too much. This may be because the browning control knob is not set properly. Don't worry. The knob at the bottom right corner of the toaster, it helps to control the browning. Just set the knob as per your desired level and get the bread grilled according to your liking. So now sit back, relax and have your favorite toasted breads with the spread of your choice. These simple steps can be followed for other Bajaj products as well. Hope this video helps. Happy cooking!